putting the crate wheels back on. I got the other two right here. I find that these jacks work. They do bend the front spoiler a little bit, but it goes right back into place. No biggie. We have a block of wood on top of a jack. Got the rear ones on, just working on the front ones. It's pretty quick. Got brakes in the back so it doesn't move forward and the emergency brake on. I'll post another video when it's done. Alright, we just got the last one on. Just got to drop it and tighten the bolts. That's how we have it up. Rhino Ramps. I got these from Walmart for like 40-50 bucks. But I know they make more expensive ones. Race ramps. The incline's not as steep, but these work. My car's not lowered, so I have no problem with that. And I'm planning on lowering it. And what I do plan on is more meaty tires. I mean, look at this. These are 20s. 285 30 20s. I want to go 305 35 20s. It's going to give me a little bit more. It's going to be like a 28.4 inch diameter. I want to say it will still fit though, but whenever I get those, I do plan on ordering those. I have my mind set on them. So whenever I get them, I will let everybody know if they fit, and if they do, I'll post a video.